Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making some Halloween lanterns, and I saw these online so I thought they would be cool, and so I spray painted them as you saw, or I'm going to show you a clip, and I have like purple here, and then these are going to be the lights that I put inside of the jar, but first I have to put my templates in. So I have some bats, I have a cat and a moon, and then I have a house. So then I just put them inside here. I won't put it in, yeah, I can put it in now. But I put it in this, and then I kind of straighten it out a little bit. Like this, and then I'll take a Sharpie and then I'll trace it, and then I'll do it for the cat and the bats too. Okay, so now that I have them all drawn on my jars, I have my tea lights that I'm gonna put in there. So I'm gonna turn them on. I'm gonna turn them on first, then I'm gonna put it in the bat one first. I'm gonna try to straighten it out a little bit, or center it. Because whenever the jar is so big, it's kind of hard to. Okay, that one, and then the last one. Oh, don't want to accidentally touch it. Okay, so here they are. And they might not look as good right now because it's not dark. So now I'm going to show you what they look like in the dark. I like this craft because I thought it was pretty simple. All you had to do is just like spray the inside with like the spray paint and then draw the designs on and get little lights. So yeah, I thought it was pretty easy and fun. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.